Hello, welcome all. I am going to discuss about emotions, categories of emotions, variety of emotion, types of emotion, factors of emotion, and how we perceive emotions. Now, imagine life without happiness, fear, sadness, surprise, and disgust. And what is emotion? Emotion is a complex psychological phenomenon which occurs as animals or people live their lives, and it is intense feelings that are directed at someone or something. And emotions are how individuals deals with matters or situation they find personally significant. And emotion includes three things like conscious experience is feelings, second one is expression which can be seen by others, and third one is action of body is physiological types. And now emotion is associated with the mood, temperament, personality, disposition, and motivation. Then different categories of the emotions, like emotion are divided into two categories: primary emotions and secondary emotions. In primary emotion, human emotion type are the one triggered in response to an events like love, joy, anger, sadness, surprise, and fear. And second one is secondary emotion. What is secondary emotion? In secondary emotion, if we feel or experience fear, the secondary emotions would be feel threatened or feel anger, it depending on the situation we are experiencing, like passion, optimism, irritation, disgust, shame, and nervousness. Different varieties of the emotion. There are different varieties of the emotions. Like human emotion. What is human emotion? Human emotion is innate in all us. It's something we are born with and something we die with. Like happiness, sadness, love, hatred, worries, and indifference. These are things that constantly occur in our daily lives. And different varieties of emotion or types of emotions, like human emotion, and second one is negative human emotion. Then what is positive emotion? Positive emotion that leads to one to feel good about oneself will lead to an emotionally happy and satisfied result. And in positive human emotions, some of the positive emotions are hopeful, confident, and peaceful. Then negative emotions are sap your energy and undermine your effectiveness In the negative emotion state, you find the lack of desire to do anything. Some of the negative emotions are like exhausted, panic, and obnoxious. Frustration, sadness, shame, fear, grief, guilt, jealous, doubt, etc. And there are some factors affecting emotions like personality. In personality, like extroverted versus introverted. And then culture. And now weather. And stress. And according to age, gender, like girl and boys, and it depending upon the environment also. And then how we perceive emotion. First one is body posture. What is the body posture? In body posture, we hold our bodies when we walk, stand, and sit. Gives cues to other about our emotional state, and it clues them into how relaxed or tense we are and how confident or shy we are. Okay, how relaxed, tensed, and how confident. And it depending on the how close we are standing to another person, it can also show aggression or love, dominance or submission. And speech pattern. In speech pattern, choose our words carefully when we are angry or expressing happiness. Okay, and our emotions cause us not only to feel differently but also speak differently. Our speech patterns also change depending on our emotional state, and our regular cadence can increase or decrease in rate and pitch, like tone, volume, and our inflection and even accent may also be affected. And our speech pattern changes depending on our emotional state, like decrease rate, and these are the. And gesture. What is gesture? Gesture take on different meaning in different cultures, and gesturing in general is one way humans communicate emotion to each other non verbally. Now facial expression. Different facial expression are like fear, angry, happy, and stress, frustrated. Different type of gesture. Facial impression. Our facial muscles, there are 44 of them, are able to communicate important non-verbal message in a split second, like anger, contempt, disgust, fear, happiness, sadness, and surprise seem to be 7 universal facial expressions that all humans unconsciously recognize and interpret. Physiological cues. What is the physiological cues? Are our emotions are accompanied by the subtle physiological changes. A subtle flush of the face or increase in heart rate or body temperature could be a clue to take the emotional state of the person you are talking to. And 4 branches are there. According to Mayer, proposed a model that identified 4 different factors of emotional intelligence. First one is perceiving emotion. The first step in understanding emotions is to accurately perceive them, and in many cases this might involve understanding nonverbal signals such as body language and facial expression. Then second one is reasoning with emotion. The next step involving using emotions to promote thinking and cognitive activity. And emotions help prioritize what we pay attention and react to. And we respond emotionally to things that garner our attention. Now, understanding emotions. Understanding emotions that we perceive can carry a wide variety of meanings. If someone is expressing angry emotions, observer must interpret the cause of their anger and what it might mean. And now, managing emotions. Managing emotions, the ability to manage the emotion effectively is a key part of emotional intelligence, and regulating emotions, responding appropriately, and responding to the emotions of others are all important aspects of emotional management. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand, but still you have any problem, you can comment. So we will continue rest of our topic in next video. Till then, like and subscribe.